So we are in the Atri football ground. We are here to see one guy match. The guy is there, walking without ball.
It's not one guy match, it is.
But we just here for this one guy. And we want to know whether he touched the ball or not. So how about a bet? He will touch.
He will touch.
He will touch once.
He will touch.
I think okay. I am with. He will not touch. So we will follow that guy. As you can see, ball just passed him. Again standing. Yeah, he's running again. Oh no, he missed. Someone else took the ball. He's standing there. For walking. Yeah, and change the direction. You can identify Samir, right?
Identify? Ah, yes.
Okay, then match begins. He's there, as you can see. Now can he do something now? He's standing just behind of everyone.
He'll watch the ball going.
And no one even bothered where he's standing. Oh. So back. Hey, this camera is not big. This is not covering whole field.
Yeah, from this place you cannot cover the whole field.
You can see, but we cannot cover. So now that guy will see where is Samir, and he will not kick that side.
He is not against Samir.
But the ball is on this side. Samir is lonely that side, as you can see, walking, not running. And game is like far from the Samir end. And Samir in the center running after the ball. So you said he will touch.
Yes.
I said he will not touch. Let's see. Oh no. So in the whole match, only the Samir can enjoy one thing only. There's no goal against him. Otherwise, nothing else, because he's not going to touch a ball. Again, see this goalkeeper strategy. He will again shoot where the Samir is not. See.
It is not that he is not shooting against.
And the game is like in this side, and Samir is standing alone that side.
He has been given that position so that ball will not touch.
Why do you take a picture?
Want to cover this football match, right? And my first friend is playing.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
I want to show. I want to show his family is playing in the team.
Is he a good player in soccer?
he is, but I think others also are good player.
How about you?
No, I don't know.
We don't have enough member in soccer.
Yeah, where?
In our team.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am looking for people. Go, you also play. I will play.
If I play, then you will be like playing with 10 members only.
No. It is tennis to 12. You will be playing for other team.
Okay. Maybe. So this time, this is the moment. My camera couldn't capture it because it got blurred.
How old is she?
He is 26, 27, 27
Oh,
years,
young.
26 years old.
Very young. Oh.
Samir played.
Okay, that's once.
Bed is touch or not? He touched.
Oh, 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 oh. 들어가는 거 아이가?
This was, if I could have shown the replay, then it would be like, oh,
Did he catch it?
I don't know.
You know.
I was watching the match, but I don't know.
In the match, if some goal is going, you have to concentrate there. Then what?
I'm
is that you are
concentrating on
watching?
that guy, single guy there, who's standing alone from the
He
whole
was also
team.
near the goal post.
Oh, really? So then I might have captured. See, he's tired. Just now a person commented that he is the youngest guy in the team, but as you can see, he's tired. Other guys are not tired. Oh, no, the ball isn't with Samir. Samir is like tackled him, but unfortunately, someone else tackled him. So Samir, this is not FIFA, FIFA 08, the game you used to play in PS3. This is the real game. Now he's getting the taste. So the game is being played in one side and the Samir is on the other side. So I cannot capture both of them. But let's see.
Samir is a strategic player, so he will give strategy to others. But he
Yeah, still some have some positive thoughts about Samir, but we can see now and we can make our own opinion. Far from Samir, somewhere else doing games going on. Samir tried to be part of the game, but again, he had to be back. Yes. Something to watch with, otherwise it's quite boring. Samir, yes.
wow.
What happened?
Samir was part of the game.
For a moment, that was momentarily happiness.
That's enough.
Samir looks really tired. And he's calling for substitute. Oh, really? You're changing? He gave some sign. He might be. Okay, let's concentrate on game for a while. Samir still running in the middle of the ground. Just keep giving some signals. Somewhere away from the game. Oh, game is there only. Okay. Will Samir always okay, no problem. So will he able to? No. He didn't try even to tackle him. He was just very far. See. Samir looks tired. Now it's going. Now this is another player. He will be the substitute for Samir.
So the game of our hero is getting over now.
Samir! Samir!
Okay.
Yes, Samir! Okay, no point in capturing, huh? Okay, so I will finish this. This is a half time? Okay.